Hey everyone, it's Teresa at Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're looking at little felt masks. What I used for this, I just had you can get a mask, just a plain one at the Walmart or somewhere. And what I just found, I had these, and what I did was I laid it down and traced it. If you're good at drawing, you can make your own, but I just traced a pattern. And then I also had eyes that I traced off. And then I just laid those on the felt to cut out the pattern that goes around the mask. And then my eyes, I made them closed. You can make them open or however you want to do it. And I made mine closed with this color, and I just, had the pattern for the eyes, and so I put that on there. And then for the eyebrows and the lashes coming down, I used black yarn and just glued those on there. You do use felt glue or tacky glue. You can use that to put those on there, so it's real easy. These are some of the way this is on where I printed off. So you have one where you can put the eye open if you want. I'm going to try it on and let you see what it looks like on. Because you can make all kinds of little fun designs with this to make them funny if you want. Is it upside down? Okay, so that's what it looks like. And there's your felt mask. Funny one. Thanks.